Hello, students. Just a minute. Hello, students. A very warm welcome. Namaste, namaskara, sat sri akal, adab, vanakkam. Yes, a very good evening. You are the winner of Minty. Kahan hai? Kaun hai? Hey, Palak, Naman, Akshat, Shavjeet, Adit. Good evening, bacha log. Very good evening. Ananya, Priyanshi. Oh my God, so many students. Here after YouTube, same here. Me too. Here after YouTube. And luckily, or I'm not so sure क्या बोलोगे आप. Fortunately or unfortunately, the topic we are going to discuss is kind of same because here also we'll start with the basic of acid, bases, and salts today. Naman, don't, मतलब मैम को चिढ़ाओ मत. I'm feeling hungry, and this guy is talking about rajma chawal. Akshat, that's so great. Shashank, Abhay, कैसे हो बच्चे? How are my lovely little atoms? जी बिल्कुल अभी क्लोज करेंगे चैट को just in 2 minutes. And have you started long term course बच्चा? शुरू होने वाला है 5 जुलाई से. Today is 21st. 5 जुलाई से वो बैच शुरू होने वाला है, ठीक है? हाँ जी. So I hope all of you are in a good health, and this is a modular course, chapter-based course, and the topic is acids, bases, salts. With whom? With your master teacher, Anubha ma'am. Drum roll. Who's that? Anubha ma'am. All right. I hope most of you know me. I did my master's in organic chemistry, and I'm teaching beautiful and loving children like you all from past 5 years. And it's like a great journey. So students, what are we going to do today? Let's try to see that. We'll talk about basic things in this class so that we can build up all the topics and can understand that. And जब भी आप correct answer दोगे, you will get, हम एक account चलाते हैं, slap account and clap account. Whenever you give wrong answer, you get a slap in your account, correct? Clap. And last में overall result देखते हैं. जब भी slap आता है, you have an opportunity कि अगली बार clap लेके you can cancel that. ठीक है? And last में balance देखेंगे. Hey प्रतिभा, hey Rahul, Neil, everyone. योगा किया मैम. Happy yoga day. Sadly, थोड़ा busy थी, नहीं किया. तो let's try to do that. नियति, teachers modular sessions में आपसे probably नहीं होंगे. तो there are few requests that I'm going to ask from you, and ये request क्या है? More of like an agreement I'm taking from you. ठीक है? Let's try to agree on few things, not like let's try to disagree. Let's try to agree on few things कि ma'am might not able to answer each and everything on the doubt panel because I'll be teaching you and class teachers won't be there. So I'll just try to open the window 2 times and can take your doubts. ठीक है? Maybe around 25 minutes का window और last वाला 55 minutes का window. तब तक के लिए इस बात को ध्यान रखो that I will not be seeing the chat section. मैं अभी इसको ऐसे close कर दूंगी तो I might not able to see your chat. तो आप अगर कुछ लिखोगे तो it won't come to me. और because I have to manage, like more number of kids, that's why दिल पे मत लेना if ma'am is not replying. Your correct and main aim to come here and to the main aim is to learn things. So I will try my best to give you best knowledge. You have to be calm enough and not to spam. ठीक है? Spam नहीं करना है. Yes, Harshad. चलो फिर शुरू करते हैं. Tomorrow is your birthday. Wish you a very happy birthday, Akshat, in advance. May you get success in your life and you will be happy. That's what I can wish for. Inverter बोल रहा है क्या? Yes, Abhay, and I feel this. I feel the sound very irritating. I found the sound very irritating, but no option. Light चली गई है, and ma'am is surviving on this. एक लैम्प और एक स्पेशल इन्वर्टर लाइट आई है जो लाइट चलने के बाद भी जलती है. Just intensity is a bit low. चलो शुरू करते हैं. Animesh, hello, and now the chat will remain off, and I might not able to see that as I said. चलो फिर. Students, let's try to talk about, एक minute. Let's try to talk about what? Let's try to talk about the basic properties of acids, bases, salt, as the name suggests. And as I told you, we'll talk about how we can detect acid and bases without any chemical change, है ना? So let's talk about the very basic thing that you could see in your life and can tell that these are acids and bases. You know that you eat curd in your day-to-day life, and I really like curd, yogurt also. Yogurt में तो flavor होता है, but in general curd का क्या taste होता है? You know it very well. That's with sour in taste. So as your lemon juice, when we talk about the lemon juice, you know what kind of a face you make. Oh, very like, you know, that khatta hai bahut. So students, what all these substances are having in common, just like orange juice, maybe vinegar, you know, sirka that you put in noodles to get that soury flavor. All of these have a common taste that they are sour in taste. So acid has this basic property that they are sour in taste. And I'm pretty sure that you'll agree with me, right? They have sour in taste. Let's talk about base. What exactly is going to be the common example, and you know what is common between the different example of bases? क्या main property है baking soda? I'm pretty sure that you guys might be using in your home, and you might have seen that. Yes or no? Baking soda देखा ही नहीं देखा? Remember that baking soda का जो taste होता है, आज ही करके देखना. खतरनाक नहीं, it's not kind of like injurious to you, but you will get the taste. But खाने में ये है कि उसको बहुत soft and fluffy बना देता है, and it's kind of giving us very good ढोकला, pancakes, डोसा. इसी बात पे भूख लग गई है. I will not talk about food anymore. Too much baking soda के बारे में we'll definitely not talk about. Ayush, we are talking about chapter number 1. I mean chapter number 2 का session number 1. Baking powder, baking soda will be in the last session. So please try to understand this thing. Ask the doubt which is related to the topics that I'm teaching you for better, you know, time management. क्योंकि 5 sessions, sorry, we'll like divided the syllabus in all those. Consecutively हम पढ़ेंगे. Pizza, me too, I love pizza. So students, what exactly the taste of the substance will be? The taste is both language, Hindi and English. Prabhanu, that's what I'm doing. I'm using both of it. But don't go out because I don't want to see a ghost. Adish, I have too light today. I hope it will work better. So baking soda ki baat ki, lime water. Again, I will not say you to taste, but you know, guilty. I have tasted it in my childhood. How come? One time my grandfather and you know their cousins, they were painting the house. And उस time पे इतना वो normal नहीं था paint and all. So what they used to do, they used to take you know those big chunks of some white color substance, and they used to wonder कि वो क्या है. They used to mix it in the water और उस solution को apply करते थे walls पे, and it's like so beautiful white ऐसा बन के आता था. तो students वो था क्या? Calcium oxide था, जिसको आप quicklime भी बोलते हो. This is your quicklime, and you put it in water. I think I've taught you in chapter number 1 also. Combination reaction, they combine together. 2 O है और 2 ही H है, OH twice. Calcium hydroxide का aqueous solution मिलेगा, which you call as lime water, not lemon water. Okay, this is different. You can also call it slaked lime. Yeah, so this is a solution that we use, and this is also basic. When you try to taste it, you might not like it. I knew it because I did it. Okay, it's not that good. Okay, students, and let's talk about soap. I think everyone will be guilty on this one. कभी कभी हुआ होगा. Yes or no? नहाते नहाते. आदित्य पुट्टी नहीं है, वो पहले पुट्टी होता था. I mean, अब पुट्टी होता है. That's more of like POP, plaster of Paris. पहले के टाइम में they used to use more of like ये calcium oxide और उसका solution. है ना? नहा रहे हो, बचपन में तो हुआ होगा, I'm pretty sure. और वो साबुन जो सोप है वो मुंह में चला गया. Let me just clean, let me just do some gargles. Intentionally or unintentionally. Okay, there are some that like, ma'am, we are not in that category. What you're talking about? What you're talking about, huh? Okay, I'll be like, I am in that category only, or what? Somewhat better, though they have put some additional perfume in it, okay, to make it better. I have made a video on Vedantu 19 channel. Saponification reaction, how to make soap. You can see that I have prepared soap at home. This is Anubha ma'am at her next level. So these are substances, students, that is basic in nature, and so as detergent, and when it comes to their taste, they are a bit bitter in taste. But just remember, we can't touch or taste all the acids and bases because few of the acids and bases are corrosive in nature. Corrosive का मतलब उस पे एक sign भी लगा होता है that don't pour it, वो ऐसा वाला sign, because if that will fall on your body, on your clothes, that will be harmful, even on the woods, maybe paper, क्योंकि they will release very much energy when they react with the substance, make it black, hole bhi kar dete hain, and so much burning sensation too. So it's not a good idea. Then you're like, ma'am, what to do? How will we check whether a given substance is acid and base? Definitely not on the basis of touch, not on the basis of taste. How will we do that? On the basis of indicator. Indicator is what, students? Indicator is something, see, name is giving you answer. Baking soda injurious to health, Aditya, not in small amount. It's not like you will just experiment with your health. You're like, this is the entire bottle of baking soda, I put it in water and let me drink. It's too much basic. Base amount बढ़ जाएगा body में, that's also harmful. You might have to visit doctor because he'll give you something to neutralize that. Okay, lime water and slaked lime is same thing only, Asha. ठीक है, lime water is more of like उसका aqueous solution. Slaked lime in solid form. Simple. Okay, so indicator is something that indicates something, and what do they indicate? They indicate whether the given substance is acid and base. Now you will be like, ma'am, how come they can indicate? Because bacha log, these indicators are nothing but some dyes which changes their color by combining, by chemically combining with acid and base. And depending upon what ions they are making, they change their color, right? So how do you identify which one is acid and which one is base? By tasting, by touching, or is it dangerous to taste and touch all acid and base? This will be a quiz, and I've already told you about this. So let's start in 3, 2, 1. Now, come on. Quiz बहुत सारी होगी. We've just started the session now. We'll take quizzes. Don't worry. Okay. And isn't it wonderful? This we call as a wonderful response because all of you shown me this green screen, and green is our happy color. Wonderful, wonderful, bachalo, wonderful. All the claps for you. 91% got clap from me. Some of you got some virtual clap from me as well. चलो फिर एसिड और बेस को अभी देखते हैं, फिर हम कैसे डिटेक्ट करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स. Chart is off. Whether a solution is acid base of litmus paper, that's what we are doing. Adit, just try to listen to me, you will get the answer. Okay, now what exactly is litmus paper? That's what a paper of red and blue color. How do we get that? Let's just try to check it. This is basically we get from a plant, we call it lichen. Okay, what do? We'll take the leaves, we'll just make a juice out of it, uska extraction karte hain, and we'll get a purple color dye. Purple color dye. Yogurt and curd are same. Jagrati category is same, but there is a bit difference. Yogurt is more of like a whisked version of curd, and we add some flavors into it as well to make it, strawberry or whatever you like. So it's a purple color dye, students. And how do it changes its color? In acid, it turned red. In base, it turned blue. Now you're like, ma'am, why we are not using that purple color solution? Where that purple solution goes? So remember, students, where that purple solution goes, purple and blue may differentiate karna, sometimes it's difficult. Purple blue is like more of a kind of a blue and we get confused. So to avoid the confusion, what did scientists do? Red blue solution banaya. How did they make it? They'll take acid, put few drop of this litmus solution. They take base, put few drops of litmus solution. We got red and blue color solution. We took filter paper ka strips like this. We dipped it into the solution. We dried it. We got red and blue litmus paper. And we use it in this way to see the color change, because red and blue color is so evident and so opposite, we will never be confused. And that's how we use blue and red litmus paper, students. And how do they change their color? It's very simple. If I talk about blue litmus paper, that turned red in acid and base may no change color. Why? Because base may it remain blue, because blue is the color of base. So acid ke andar it will show red color. I will suggest you to not spam, because it won't be good, as I said, to help you in terms of your doubts. Okay? Ha. So red color in acid, base may no change color. Again, if I talk about red litmus paper, red remain red in acid because acid ka color red. Remember in this way. So base may it turn blue. Base may turn blue. If we put red litmus in acid, it will remain same, no change in color. But obvious that, okay, we can find litmus paper. Yes, Anshika, you can get it from Amazon. It's not a big deal. So I'm repeating it again. Try to understand it, that that's a litmus solution is basically a purple color dye which we get from lichen plant tree. We take that purple color dye solution and we put it in acid and base to get a red and blue color solution. And that red blue color solution we use to prepare litmus paper, because that's so easy and evident to see those color, that is red and blue, rather than purple to blue, which creates confusion. That's how we use it in this way. Very simple as that. Now students, these indicators are called as acid and base indicators because of the simple reason that they change their color in acid and base. So litmus solution samajh aaya? The second is turmeric solution. I'm talking about the natural indicator we prepare. I mean, it's not we are preparing, it just nature is giving to us. Turmeric, I'm pretty sure all of you have seen in all of our curries and all, we put turmeric. It's antibacterial, antiviral. So it's good to have that haldi, turmeric in our food, day-to-day food. How do they change its color? Its natural color yellow, and it will remain yellow in neutral solution like water. Acid may be no change in color, base may it shows red color. You can remember in this way, no change in color. Actual color is yellow and base may it shows red color. Okay? These are the color change. No change in acid, yellow color, khud ka reddish brown. I'm pretty sure whenever you something good that happens, I don't know, especially with me too, that the food somehow is on me and I'm like, okay, abhi to isko clean karna padega. And whenever I try to clean it, that stain won't go. Jabki jab bhi main soap rub karti hu na, it will change its color to reddish brown, because soap is base. Base may change its color like that. Aditya, I think I have told you before also that baking soda, baking powder ke baare mein we will discuss in detail in session number 5, salt category. ठीक है? Abhay, whenever is possible to give you the tricks, I will definitely give you. Let's see that. Let's talk about China rose solution. China rose is a kind of a flower, right? That big flower you might have seen, that pinkish color ka. You take the extract out of it, that is of pink color. Acid made shows magenta color, very dark pink, and base made shows green color. And how will you remember this? Remember this way. MPG. Why I'm writing this? Remember, we start from acid, then it become neutral, then base. Q. I'm going to tell you about pH in detail in upcoming classes. कि जब भी हम solutions को रखते हैं in a particular list from 0 to 14, वो scale होता है pH को. We start with acid, then आता है neutral solution, then आते हैं base. So we'll try to remember the color in this way only. Acid, neutral, base. ठीक है? तो MPG, magenta in acid, pink, neutral, खुद का color, actual color, green in base. MP is a state. So like MP give us the very high amount of grains. It comes to wheat, बहुत अच्छा wheat देता है. So we're just respecting. What a noble thing you're doing, MPG. So magenta, pink actual color, green in base. That's what the color. So if you try to remember by these mnemonics, it will help you. MPG. Okay. So these are natural indicators. Okay, students, it's very simple. And on that note, try to answer this question. Reaction, ha, bilkul, but we won't focus on reaction in 10th class. China, not in NCERT, koi baat nahi, Ritika. I just discussed, it's okay. Okay, find the natural indicator from the following. China rose, vinegar, phenolphthalein, methyl orange. I think I've taught you till now only natural indicator. So you all know the answer. Yes, it's a quiz question. I'm going to start this. This will give you points, clap and slap from ma'am too. In 3, 2, 1. Now. Different colored substances in detergent. Adarsh, detergent that we use in our home is not only washing soda that clean the substance. वो froth बनाने के लिए we put some surfactants into it, we put some perfumes into it so that it will smell good, it will make our clothes smell good, and there are category of substances that we put. Okay, so that's it. And I must say, I am super proud because this list is green again 2 times. Aniket, Ritika, Ayush, Dashita, Tushar, Adi, Niyati, Om, Neel, and Adit. That's a wonderful response. 97 deserve definitely star shower. Very nice, bachalo. When you red litmus paper turn blue due to base as a blue litmus paper. Ha, Animesh, it turns blue because blue color aata hai, that dye that we had used, na, that changes to blue in base. Simple. तो देख लेते हैं, स्टार शार करते हैं. Definitely answer is China rose. Yeah, China rose because that's natural. I'll show you leaderboard with one more question that we'll do when I'll teach you about synthetic indicator, and it's very simple. Ayush, what will happen if we mix acid and base? They neutralize each other. We'll talk about that salt category. Mante nahi ho na aap? We'll ask the question which is not related to which I'm teaching. And I'm the one who has to handle your doubts. So as I said, 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes wala window I can open, but I'm just taking it out and it's nothing much to, like I'll say, heavy topic. It's just normal thing which you should remember, memory based more of like. Yeah, this one is very amazing. Called as phenolphthalein. This is a synthetic indicator, artificial indicator that we prepare in laboratory. And wonder L is silent here. This L is silent. Just understand this. Phenolphthalein. You won't pronounce L. Phenolphthalein. Okay. So actual color is colorless. Acid may be colorless. Base may pink. You can remember in this way. NCP. Maybe National Congress Party. Or any way you like. So what is representing? As I told you, here we write acid. Then we move to neutral solution. Actual color. And then we write base. So how the color is changing? N means no change in color. C means colorless. And P means pink. So that's how you can remember the color change of phenolphthalein. NCP, no change, colorless and pink. Acid may no change in color and khud ka color hai colorless, and base may it will give you pink color. Okay? Now let's talk about methyl orange, another indicator which is synthetic. We prepare in laboratory. Orange color hai, and it's very, very awesome to remember. Roy. I think there was a movie too, and you can also remember there's a person named as Roy. Roy means reddish color in acid because first we write acid, then neutral, and then base. More of like a pH value, 0 to 40. ऐसे याद करो. Reddish pinkish color देता है basically in my, sorry, just a second. Reddish pinkish color देता है acid में. Actual color is orange and yellow in base. Just look at these colors that you are showing. Okay? Bhavika, you're answering all questions to all students. You're ignoring me. Bhavika, it's your choice. I have 90 students to handle right now in the class. And as I said, if any chat pop up to me, and I could see it. I'm just taking it. Just understand your teacher as not a human computer, but a person who's trying to help you with her level best. If you take it in that way, and I said we'll agree on this point that I might not able to take all your doubts because I'm the one and no other teacher is there in the class to handle this. Whenever I think that I have to repeat something, I will repeat it. Whenever I think that this is difficult for my students, I will repeat it 3 times. But you all have to be mature enough to understand this. Okay? This is what I can say because I don't have anything else to say on this call. Rest is chalo. Okay. Because we also feel bad when our students take it in that way and not trying to understand because we are putting our best energy here. Okay, now let's try to move ahead. Vedika, Anshika, yes, but yeah, color change is not very properly. You know, sometimes we see that pinkish color, so just समझ जाओ. Abhay, okay. तो अभी ये हमने synthetic and I tell you about natural indicator. These are the two things that I've told you. Vedant, it's okay. अब as I said, 30-minute का window है. If any doubt comes till now, just let me know. I'm going to take a quick quiz again. China rose, Prabhanu, China rose is like a plant, a flower that we had. Uska extract is of pink color, which is showing its color change to magenta in acid and green in base. Bhavika, if you have any doubt, I'll take it right away. Natural indicator, onion, Anshika, that is more of like a olfactory indicator. Natural to hai, but we'll keep it an olfactory. Okay. Now we'll do what? Hibiscus. Yeah. Hibiscus ka juice bhi aata hai, like a mocktail drink, and acha hota hai. It's good for health also. Wonderful, wonderful. And let's try to take now a quick quiz. It's difficult to touch a base. Akshat, that's what I told. Sometimes there are very few bases that are not good to touch because un bases se na we prepare alkali. We prepare alkali from those bases. Alkali kaun hote hain? Sorry, we don't prepare alkali, but we prepare soap from those. तो उनसे जैसे कि सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड है, when you touch it तो उससे क्या होता है ना, वो हमारी बॉडी से ऑयल एक्सट्रैक्ट कर लेते हैं and they react with the oil. So our body is kind of becoming dry and can be allergic. So that's the one thing that when we handle few bases, it's important to use gloves because it will help us. Okay. Neil, there is no reaction. Students, you know what? I told you whatever till now is already there in 7th class. We are just revising and I can't help you in memorizing the things rather than I can only tell you some mnemonics to remember, which I'm giving you. Few things is something, as I told, ma'am's effort is 40%, yours is 60%, and you have to, go through it and revise it. Okay, which of the following is a natural indicator? After that, we'll take olfactory indicator too. But till now, just tell me, which one is a natural indicator? Phenolphthalein, methyl orange, litmus, both A and B. You need to tell me natural indicator. We'll see the leaderboard also after that. In 3, 2, 1, now. Students, that's a quiz. Come on, answer in quiz. You'll be seeing 4 options on your screen. And okay. You get the first lap in fastest fingers list. We thought we'll create a hat trick here. Ayush, Dishita, Suman, Tushar, Mithileshwar, Neil, Shreyas, Aditya and Niyati. That was a very good response. And we just got 85%. We just got it. Now, phenolphthalein is not a powder, it's a liquid. Why we call China rose? That I'm not very sure that whether we found it in China first or something, that we can search it out. Okay, 85.7. And keeping the chat off, please don't spam students. We agreed on this thing. Yeah. Okay. So answer is definitely what? Litmus. Litmus is a natural indicator. These two are what kind of indicator? Synthetic one. Synthetic indicator है वो. ठीक है? Now one more question and then we'll go to what? We'll understand the third category of indicator. अभी बस इतना बताना. Hibiscus is China rose. Yes, Palak. Which of the following is a synthetic indicator? China rose, phenolphthalein, litmus, or turmeric? What is hydrangea? नहीं है, hydrangea है आयुष. Hydrangea is also a category of flower, plant with flowers. वो भी they change their color in acid and base. उनकी soil जो है जब बहुत basic हो जाती है, they change its color to blue. ठीक है? तो suppose they are pink in color, जब soil बहुत ज़्यादा basic हो जाती है तो उसका color blue हो जाता है. In that way. It's a plant, flower वाला plant. And your time starts, students, in 3, 2, 1, now. Quickly. We are going to see leaderboard. Vedant, which of the following is a synthetic indicator, bacha? Man-made indicator we needed to know. So let's see. Oops. Now this time Harsh got a virtual slap from me. But Ritika, Dashita, Ayush, Keshav, Adit, Om, Adit, Tushar, Adi and Aditya. That's a great thing. That's amazing. 94% is quite amazing. Whenever it crossed 90, we became very happy. And the answer is definitely phenolphthalein. It's kind of related to the last question where I asked what is not synthetic, what is natural? And that's the opposite. And synthetic indicator, kaun sa hai mera? Phenolphthalein hai. Quicklime and slaked lime. Adit, quicklime is calcium oxide and slaked lime is calcium hydroxide. ठीक है? Okay. Now let's try to talk about this third category. And that is olfactory indicator related to smell. Usse pehle, let's try to see the leaderboard, where we see that Ayush is on the top, which is amazing. Dishita, Ritika, Tushar, Neel, Aniket, Akshat, Suman, Niyati, Pratibha, Anshika, Astha, Adit and Aditya. AOP. बहुत सारे students are mostly with the name A. That's so great, and you all are doing very nice. Wonderful. Very nice. Keep it up. Vedant, it's still okay. You can still improve, everyone. Wonderful. Let's talk about now what is olfactory indicator related to sense of smell. Okay? Olfactory is a nerve also that we have that helps us to have a particular smell about different things, and we can get to know about that. So related to sense of smell, and let's try to figure it out what all are the olfactory indicator we see around us, to be very honest. ठीक है, तो the very first one is that is onion extract भी बोल सकते हो, मतलब onion का juice. You took some onion, you know, crushed it and you took some juice out of it. That onion extract is olfactory indicator, means mostly helpful for the person who are visually impaired because they can't see the color change, but they have a very good sense of smell. And these are the indicators. They change their smell, or I must say they destroy their smell in bases. They could have done in acid also, but whatever example we are taking, that change their smell in base. So onion extract, whenever you have soap solution, suppose you have a cotton cloth, you dipped it in onion extract, giving that smell. How would I know that a given substance is base? Suppose soap solution, how would I know this is base? If you take that onion extract, dipped in 2 to 3 times and checked it, you will see that the smell will be destroyed in base, not in acid. And when it comes to vanilla, students, it's like I really like this. So vanilla जो होता है, vanilla का जो वो flavor होता है, that also destroy the smell in base, but remain the same in acid. Same with clove oil. You might have seen in your home. ये normal clove, they contain oil. तो clove जो है ना, clove का भी जब extract निकालोगे, and you'll see, so base के अंदर that can destroy its smell. And big example of base that we use in our home is, you know, dish डिश वॉश वाला जो सोल्यूशन होता है एंड सोप सोल्यूशन जो होता है. So in a way, they destroy the smell in bases, not in acid. Acid may they remain same. When we put acid in onion, will the smell of onion will become stronger or same? No stronger, Ayush. It's kind of the same only. ठीक है? Not like going to increase or what. अभी हम क्या करेंगे? As I said, इस question का answer दो quickly. Chat is off. Which one is olfactory indicator? And it's not tagged. I can take question in another. हाँ, ये वाला that was not tagged, मतलब quiz. अभी ये देखो. Which one of the following indicator can be used for visually impaired people to identify acids and bases? I must say this is very easy question because this is what we did from past few minutes. So tell me, students, methyl orange, litmus, clove oil, China rose. Please, no slap this time because it's very easy. And no, Tanisha, we are not allowed to make group on Telegram. Okay, you can connect to Vedantu chat. That's the only medium. Or you can email to me. Vedantu wala ID is anubha.gaur, my name, @vedantu.com. So let's start in 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, my atoms army. This was very easy question. Very, very easy question. And isn't it great? फिर से the entire fastest finger lesson, like a tongue twister to me. Green, awesome. Clap time. Ritika, Harsh, Keshav, Adit, Om, Aniket, Ayush, Tushar, Akshat, Soumya. Clap time, Akshat. 90% से above गया तो भांगड़ा time. Hulk is doing भांगड़ा. सोचो. Hulk is my best friend, by the way. ठीक है? Green color आता है तो is becoming very happy. Solve पढ़ाओगी? अबे पूरा पढ़ाऊंगी. 5 sessions are there. Don't worry. देखो, I think I told you 1 minute before there is no Telegram ID. I can give you my email ID. That's the point of contact. Yeah. Olfactory indicator, Prabhanu, related to sense of smell. Sense of smell means olfactory is a nerve that is responsible to identify the smell. So these indicators, that's why called as olfactory indicator. And whatever the indicator I told you, this indicator means it just, they indicate something to us. And what they indicate? That the given substance is acid and base. How come? They're destroying the smell and base. Simple. Okay. We will definitely see a quick, leaderboard, and then we will talk about the chemical properties too. Niyati, alkaline or alkali mein kya relation hai? Nahi bacha, alkalis are like those substances who are bases and soluble in water. Alkaline उसके solution को बोलते हैं, ठीक है? We put it in water, that's why we call it alkaline, water वाला solution. I know, Jagriti, Telegram पे there have been some incidents and Vedantu is very much against towards any kind of abuse towards students, towards teachers. So that's why. All right. And they themselves are working and making some kind of an app very soon. So great response. Ayush, Ritika, Dishita, Aniket, Tushar, Akshat, Astha, Suman, Adit, Anshika, Niyati, Neel, Keshav, and Dinesh. Amazing. Dikhaya na Nancy, I've shown leaderboard. Adit, whatever I'm teaching you, everyone just try to listen. You will be able to download the notes. You will be able to see the replay. So try to get the maximum out of same. Whenever you feel like you got some doubts, you can see the replay. You can download the notes of the entire session too. Chat is going to be off right now. No, Naman, unmuting will be difficult in the class because there are so many students without class teacher. I can take on my email ID your doubts, yeah. And in the last, if you'll type it, I'll try to take that also. I got all the answer correct. And then also still not on leaderboard, Tanya, because That's more of like depending upon the speed also, how fast you're answering. Maybe the last person in leaderboard has answered faster than you. But don't worry, what matters is that you are getting it. Please focus on the right things in your life. Okay, now let's talk about chemical properties of acids and bases. Okay, so if I talk about acids, students, how do they present in our day-to-day life? I hope you'll agree with me that they are there in the liquid form. Yes, most of the acid, be it in the form of lemon, orange juice, है ना? Be it in terms of your vinegar, and even when you go to laboratory, you got bottles in which acids are there. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. So मतलब most of the acids are in liquid form. ऐसा नहीं solid form में नहीं होते, but most of them are in liquid form. Now the point is, how do they present in nature? How we can prepare that also? Ameya, yeah, I can highlight this, but as I said, I might not available on Instagram. ठीक है? तो अब स्टूडेंट्स देखते हैं how we can prepare acid, how we get that acid in liquid form. Again, I'm pretty sure you know about this from 8th class because I have taught 8th class in past too. कैसे बनाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स एसिड को? नॉन मेटालिक ऑक्साइड्स, there was a statement in metal and non-metal chapter also 8th class that non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. ठीक है, तो let me just take an example and to prove to you. I have taken sulfur. Sulfur is a non-metal. उसका oxide, sulfur dioxide. I have taken carbon, coal. I am burning it. Oxide बनेगा, carbon dioxide. Whenever you take metallic or non-metallic oxides, how do you prove that they are acid in nature? Acid में prove करने के लिए water is very much necessary. Any substance will show its acidic or basic property when you put it in water, because water helps to ionize them to make the H ions free. Acid will only be acid if they show free H ions, H positive ions. कैसे? Let me just tell you. सल्फर का ऑक्साइड था, वाटर के साथ सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड गैस निकल रही है, we just put water and close it. So that react with the water और क्या बनेगा? Combine करो H2SO3, right? 3 oxygen. What exactly we are going to get here? H2CO3. You can combine that. I got an acid, sulfurous acid. H2SO4 is sulfuric. This is sulfurous acid. H2CO3, carbonic acid. What do we call it? Carbonic acid. So what is non-metal oxide? Non-metal ka oxide. What is oxide? When non-metal react with oxygen, they combine with oxygen to give non-metal oxide. Yes? What is non-metal oxide, students? Non-metal ka combination with oxygen. Non-metal oxide. So sulfur ka oxide, sulfur dioxide. Carbon ka oxide, carbon dioxide. These are non-metal oxide. And what I'm telling, this is 8th class, that these oxides are acidic in nature. How we can prove that? I told you कि liquid form में, aqueous form में only they can show their acidic behavior. We can get their acidic behavior. How come? Put them in water. As soon as I'm putting it in water, what we are getting, students? H2SO3. Just write it together. They gave us an acid, sulfurous acid. H2CO3, carbonic acid. So these are acids. Acids are there in liquid form because acids are formed in that liquid form. H2CO3, H2SO3. Okay. Now I can only tell you how do they are acid, because that we got in water, and water में these H ions are free. Water में these H ions will be free. Water में कैसे dissociate होंगे? Let me tell you. Okay. Yeah. Let me see. कौन सी book follow करो? बच्चा, you can definitely follow NCERT with a reference book like Pradeep, Dinesh या Lakshmi Singh Manjeet Kaur. I personally like Lakshmi Singh Manjeet Kaur. That's a good book. Tanisha, it's fine. It's fine. Acid can be gases also. अबे gas ही तो है. Carbon dioxide क्या है? It's a gas. Sulfur dioxide क्या है? Gas. They are acidic in nature, but they won't show acidic nature in gaseous form. That's what I'm telling. To show their acidic behavior, we have to mix them into water. Q. Let's just try to see this. H2CO3. ये मैंने acid लिया. How do I know this acid? Because this is in water, aqueous, पानी में बनाया हुआ solution. Whenever it's there in the water, it is dissociating in form of ions, charged particle. I am having H ions, कितने? 2, and one is carbonate ion. Acid show its acidic property. ये क्यों है students? Acid क्यों है? मैं फिर से explain कर देती हूँ. This is acid. This acid we got just because whenever we have water, water helps to ionize it. Ions में convert करना. Free ions हो जाएंगे. H ions, carbonate ion. Water की वजह से aqueous form. And that's how acidic solution, I mean, this is having acidic property. Acid gives H aqueous ions in water. और aqueous क्या है? पानी. Just combine H positive with H2O. 3 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, overall positive charge. We call it hydronium ion. So acid show its acidic property in water. Base show its basic property in water. Because in water, they ionize. Acid give H positive aqueous ions. या जिसको hydronium ion भी बोलते हो. Base gives OH ions, hydroxyl ion, aqueous form में. They are responsible for their acidic or basic behavior simultaneously. ठीक है. अब कई लोग बोल रहे हैं मैम, what's the difference between liquid and aqueous? Liquid could be anything. Liquid is a pure state of matter. Water is liquid. Your juice is liquid. Aqueous मतलब a solution that you make with water. Aqueous क्या है? Any solution that you made with water. ठीक है. Salt को पानी में डाल दिया. Aqueous solution of salt. Sugar को पानी में डाल दिया. Aqueous solution of sugar. In that way. Okay. Now one thing. Blue light reflected on his spectacles. हाँ, this is blue light protection. I think blue coating है उसमें. Lavanya. Is acid present in solid form, Prabhanu? Yeah, in laboratory we can get acid in solid form too, but these are comparatively less. अभी देखो मैं फिर से बता रही हूँ. I have taken some non-metal के oxide and how with water they are making acid and how we can prove that they are acid. Please try to listen to that. Sulfur dioxide water में डाला, sulfuric acid. Sulfur trioxide water में डाला, sulfuric acid. I'm not doing anything. I'm just writing in combining form. 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur, 4 oxygen. Sulfuric acid. Carbon dioxide with water, carbonic acid. Nitrogen dioxide with water, nitric acid. Okay, again, we can balance if it is required. Metallic oxide make bases. Metallic oxide make bases. Non-metallic oxide make acid. अब मैं इनको कैसे प्रूव करूं ये सब के सब एसिड है? मैंने बताया कि ये डिसोसिएट हो रहे हैं टू गिव H आयन. सबके सब पानी में डालते ही they are making their negative ions free. ठीक है, इसको फ्री कर देते हैं और H positive रिलीज हो जाते हैं. That's how we get acidic behavior. Very simple. It's just combination. We just did combination. Okay. Two-way arrow का क्या मतलब है मैं वो अभी बता देती हूँ. Just try to listen to me in upcoming 2 minutes. Dissociation, Shivji, that's an English word. Dissociate हो जाना मतलब free कर देना. मतलब this is, suppose let's just do with this example. Hydrogen chlorine, HCl. This is a substance. Dissociation मतलब if something is helping, a factor is responsible to make them free. Free हो जाना, dissociate कर जाना, अलग हो जाना. Okay. And dissociate किसमें होता है? Ions में. Charged particle. Let's just see one more example. My students used to ask me a lot, this one, that ma'am, we don't call this HCl as hydrochloric acid sometimes. We call it hydrogen chloride. So what's the difference between the two? Hydrogen chloride and hydrochloric acid. What's the difference? When a substance is in gaseous form, it won't show acidic behavior. This is the point that I'm telling you again and again. To show its acidic behavior, we put it in water. Because water helps to break this bond between this positive and negative ion. Water helps to make the ions free in that substance. तो H positive अलग हो गया, Cl negative अलग हो गया. They got dissociated, separated. और water आके उसके पास surrounding में आ जाता है. This is H positive, water came and surrounded it. Cl negative, water came and surrounding it to make them stable, because ions are not that stable. And because of this is called as acid. जब पानी में डालोगे तभी you can call this HCl as hydrochloric acid, नहीं तो you can't say it as hydrochloric acid. So gaseous form में hydrogen chloride with water, यानी कि whenever HCl is an aqueous form, water के साथ mix है, then only you can call it hydrochloric acid, means water is responsible for it. Very simple. Where oxygen gone है? कौन सा ऑक्सीजन? यहाँ तो ऑक्सीजन कहाँ है? I just told H positive Cl negative अलग हो गया. This is my water, and that's why I wrote aqueous. That H positive, water is surrounding it. Cl negative, water is surrounding it. We got two ions, H positive ions and Cl negative ions, and this is responsible in aqueous form for the acidic behavior. अब एक बहुत important question है which I really want to ask from you all. Can you tell which one will change the color of blue litmus paper? It's a very simple yet a very important question. Can you tell which one will change the color of blue litmus paper? H2O का O2 कहाँ गया? Jagriti, we didn't do anything with H2O. We didn't dissociate H2O. Acid separated H positive Cl negative. Water as a whole, H2O. Surrounded H positive, surrounded Cl negative. I got H positive in aqueous form, मतलब पानी से घिरा हुआ. Cl negative in aqueous form, surrounded by water. I'm not separating hydrogen from oxygen from water. It's H2O still. Okay. I got H positive aqueous, I got Cl negative aqueous. Aqueous form में मेरे ions आ गए, and H positive aqueous is only responsible for the acidic behavior. Now please tell me which one will change the color of blue litmus paper. एक बार इसको ध्यान से देखो. Please try to understand that. I took my hydrogen chloride gas, HCl gas. It's coming out. I have taken a dry blue litmus paper. Can you tell which one will change the color? यहाँ पे क्या किया? Hydrochloric acid. Then taken my blue litmus paper. A, B or C? Now. Okay. Quickly. If I miss any of the questions, you can mail it to me. I'll try to answer it. 88% A, and so many students tell me this, both. I think I've told you a minute before, that was the whole point of discussion, that in gaseous form, it won't show acidic property. HCl gas is hitting the paper. No aqueous, no H ions, free. No free H ions, no acidic behavior. Only in A, this is hydrochloric acid. Why? Because aqueous solution है, पानी में बनाया हुआ solution है, and that can only turn blue litmus to red. That can only change the color of litmus paper. Okay, so please try to remember this. मैं फिर से बता देती हूँ इसको. Why HCl gas does not turn red? प्रकार chemical reactions का भी एक अलग series बनाया हुआ है. So there are so many series. If you try to check on YouTube, you will get it. मैंने ही बनाया हुआ है. So Ritika, Shivjeet, Ayush, Niyati, Ayan, Adit, Satvik, Harsh, Harshit. That was so great. Om, confusion. 85 cross kiya, which is not bad, but I'm still not so sure. Thank you, Akshat. Why students are telling me this? And I'm like, why this? Acid show acidic property due to hydronium ion. Only one answer. ठीक है? नियति तब की तब हो जाता है. नियति color change will be very fast. Okay. how you combined non-metallic oxide with water. ले आदित्य ये देखो, जरा कंबाइन करो, मॉलिक्यूलर कॉन्सेप्ट ही है ये तो, 2 हाइड्रोजन 1 सल्फर 3 ऑक्सीजन. It's just a way to tell you, it's just to tell you that water के साथ when non-metallic oxide combine they make acid. I just wrote the formula, you just have to remember that. चलो फाइनल लीडरबोर्ड देखते हैं and let's see that. Full marks, you can follow that. Now if you come across with any doubt, please see the replay of session, will be very helpful. Download the notes, revise it. Fir bhi if there is any confusion, you can send a mail too. And Ayush, that's an amazing job. Ritika, Aniket, Akshat, Tushar, Dishita, Adit, Niyati, Suman, Astha, Harshit, Ananya, Shabjeet and Adhay. That was a great response and I'm pretty sure you get so many claps from me. Jinko bhi slap mila hai, just try to collect and next time you'll still get an opportunity to get more and more claps. Okay, great job bacha log, that's a very great job. We'll meet it in next class now. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Okay, तो अभी कुछ भी डाउट हो रिप्ले देख लेना. I have one more session, got to go. Take care of yourself, students. Bye bye. Take care.